Carnival Celebration is a beautiful ship. Just under a year old, it came out in November of 2022. Celebration's capacity holds 6,630 passengers with 1,745 crew members. The Carnival Celebration, much like its sister ship, the Mardi Gras, offers so many things to do. From 19 different restaurants, 7 bars, and a multitude of activities and entertainment you can attend, you are sure to find something to do for each member of your family. Don't go away. Be sure to stay to the end of the video, and I will share with you 2 different room tours here on the Carnival Celebration. Here we are on deck 15. This is our first room. We actually did a back-to-back cruise here on the Celebration. So our first room, we got a balcony room here on deck 15. And as you see, you have a nice couch here, your vanity area, and your double bed. Now your bed can be split into 2 twin beds if you would like. Looking out here onto your balcony, it's a nice little balcony and you do have some privacy out here. You get 2 chairs and a little table. So it's not a bad balcony. It's a really nice balcony and it came with a little bit of privacy. Looking back here in the room, you see you actually have a lot of room going down from the bed to the doorway there. So let's take a look over here at the bed. And you notice that you have 2 little night lights on each side of the bed, little reading lights. I love these new features on these new ships. This one and the Mardi Gras ship both offer this and a USB port next to the bed. So you can plug your phone up at night right next to your bed. And you have 2 little end tables here next to your bed. And then of course you can turn the backlight on at your headboard. And then you have the light next to it that'll turn the light on above your bed. I love this new feature here. You get 3 outlets and 4 USB ports. This is a really nice feature that is not always on some of the older ships. Now this couch can flip over into a twin bed. And if you need any blankets, pillows, they're all stored here in your footstool. Now next to the couch, you do get a reading light, just like you do next to the beds, but there's not a USB port, just a reading light. You get a nice little fridge. And then looking over at the cabinets, it's a lot of storage in some of these newer ships. I love how they design these with where you can pull the shelves up and make more room in here if you need, you have like some longer dresses that you're hanging up. It's a lot of storage space. And this second one right here, you get a little bit of storage space in here as well. Let me turn the light on. And then here's your safe. It's just a punch in your combination. And you got a couple of drawers down here at the bottom. And at the very bottom, just a little pull out that you can put your shoes on. So a lot of nice storage right here for you. Okay, so let's go over and take a look at the bathroom. I love the sleek look of the bathroom in the wood grain. You got your makeup mirror, and then you have a swing door for your shower door. You have a shampoo and conditioner in your shower. Now on our back-to-back cruise, our second week, we got an aft view room. So as you see here, the room is still the same as the balcony room. Not much different there with the bed and the couch. The only difference here is the balcony. So let me show you here what the balcony looks like. So as you see, you get a little bit more space. You get 2 chairs, your table still, and your lounger. So it's a little wider. You get a little bit more space out here. And it's really nice and private. And you can look down over to the pool area. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruising fun and information. Bye for now.